Hey dessert lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got a super easy and absolutely delicious treat for you. No-bake apple crumble. Yep, you heard that right. No oven needed, so it's perfect for those busy days or when you just don't feel like baking. Let's dive right into the ingredients you'll need. Grab some juicy apples, graham crackers, butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of lemon juice. Oh, and don't forget a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Simple, right? First up, slice those apples nice and thin. Add a splash of lemon juice to keep them from browning and to give a tangy twist. Now crush those graham crackers into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or just smash them in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. It's kind of fun, actually. Time to assemble. Start with a layer of those delightful apple slices at the bottom of your dish. Sprinkle some cinnamon and brown sugar over the apples. Now add a layer of those crushed graham crackers mixed with melted butter. Repeat the layers until you run out of ingredients, ending with the graham cracker mix on top. Pop that beauty in the fridge for at least an hour to let it set. I know, it's hard to wait, but trust me, it's worth it. Chilling helps all the layers come together and gives the crumble a perfect texture. Once it's ready, take it out and get ready to dig in. You can enjoy it just as it is, but if you want to take it up a notch, add a dollop of whipped cream, a scoop of ice cream, or some fresh fruit. There you have it. A no-bake apple crumble that's quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Happy dessert making! And there you have it, folks. A delightful no-bake apple crumble that's sure to impress. Whether you're making it for a family gathering or just a cozy night in, this dessert is a winner. Remember, the key to a great apple crumble is using fresh, quality ingredients. You can even add a bit of lemon zest for an extra zing. Mixing the ingredients well ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Layering is crucial. Make sure each layer is even for the best texture. Don't be shy with the cinnamon. It adds a warm, comforting flavor. Letting it chill in the fridge is essential. It helps the flavors meld together beautifully. When it's finally time to take it out, you'll see how all the layers have set perfectly. Serve it up and watch everyone's faces light up with joy. A little whipped cream on top never hurt anyone. Or go all out with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. However you choose to enjoy it, this no-bake apple crumble is sure to be a hit. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Happy dessert making!